That's really good.
This is Jonathan's very first time ever having pho.
Excellent.
Okay, my broth is simmering and I've been like skimming the nasties off the top while it's simmering. So, while it's simmering, it specifically says to do 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then we are going to do 2 teaspoons of salt, whatever, and then let me see if I can show you 2 tablespoons specifically of, this, here we go, Dasida beef stock. I was not gonna use it, like I didn't have it, but I had to go to the Asian market for the daikon radish and I saw this and I was like, I might as well give it a try. So it's 2 tablespoons of this Dasida. Okay, and I'm gonna stir it up and then let this stuff simmer for an hour. Okay, I'm gonna broil my onions and my ginger. The recipe says for 10 minutes, but I'm just gonna keep an eye on it because everyone knows broilers are intense, so we'll be back. Okay, also for pho, you need like a lot of different spices. You can buy them all separately, but I bought this pack from Amazon. I think it was a 3-pack of these, so I have 2 more for like $9, which was way cheaper than I could like buy all the different seasonings separately. Let me show you the seasoning. They're the spices I need. I don't know if you all can read that. But the cinnamon, the cardamom, the star anise, the coriander, that's all the different spices you need, and it was just so much easier to buy it in a pack with like the cheesecloth, like the mesh bag. So I'm gonna pour it out in this bowl, and I'm gonna toast the things like separately, and then I'll put them in the bag and we'll put them in the broth. And of course, I'll show you what I do. Okay, so here's the bag. Then it's all the different spices. I'm gonna fish out the cinnamon, the cardamom, the star anise, and toast those separately. So, be right back. Okay, so I fished out all of the like cinnamon and star anise, and I left all of these. I'm gonna toast these first, and then I'll toast these second. I just don't want to burn these. It's a lot easier to burn like the little pieces than the larger pieces. So, let's go toast them. Should be good. Just gonna give them a little toasty toast, and let's check on our stuff in the oven. It's looking good. Gonna need a couple more minutes, but it's looking good. Okay, so I've had these big bits toasting, and I'm gonna take this, set it right here, and I have to go smash it with a hammer, or have Jonathan smash it. But let's see if we can. That, and then I'm going to take these and toast them separately. Okay, so I had Jonathan smash this with his hammer. Well, that's what it looks like. We're just going to put it inside here, like that. And I'll show you these guys. They're almost ready. I'm not trying to burn them. Okay, those were ready. So I'm going to attempt, This is the real me, always anxious. I'm going to attempt to pour this on camera and not burn myself and not spill it. Nice. Sweet. Sweet. And now we have everything in our little bag. And I have to let my broth, here. I have to let this boil, simmer. You do not want it to boil, you want it to simmer, which I feel like this is close enough. You want it to simmer for an hour before you put your spice pack and the onions and the ginger in it. And the daikon, which I'm so excited for. Let's go cut it. Let's go cut it. Let's cut it. Need knife. Knife required. Can you all see that? Yeah, you can. I think it's at 1-inch chunks. Okay, it's been simmering for an hour, so I'm going to put my spice pack in. Gonna put my onion. And the radish. And then I'm gonna let it simmer for 2.5 more hours. And if the water gets low, then I'll just add more water. Okay, so this has been simmering for 1.5 hours-ish. And I do have these beef tendon meatballs that I'm gonna put in here for the last like hour of simmering. So I'm gonna open these up and dump them in. And I probably will use all of them just so I don't have to put them back in the freezer. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just dump the broth into this and strain it like that. This might be a mistake. I don't know. This might be a giant mistake. About to find out. Okay, according to the video I watched, she took some sprouts and she put them in here. Which I love sprouts, so probably like that much. And then she blanched them for 5 seconds. So that's what we're gonna do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, sorry, this is just gonna be a talking hand. Then I'm gonna take my rice noodles, and I have soaked my rice noodles for like 2 hours in cold water. So I'm gonna do this for like 10 seconds. You guys think that was long enough? That was 10 seconds in my brain. Probably. Okay. Yeah, that was good. That was good. Oh, sorry. You guys cannot see. That was perfect. Okay. We'll be back. Okay, I'm really sorry. The lighting is terrible. This is beef brisket, thinly sliced, that I bought a while ago. And I put it in the freezer. It's very clearly raw. I can't get it open. Watch me struggle. Okay. So, I'm so sorry that the lighting is bad, but I'm going to lay these raw strips on top of my noodles. I watched the videos. This is exactly what they did. And then I'm going to put the boiling broth over the top, so it will cook these raw strips, so then it's just cooked. Okay. Oh, that's terrible lighting. I'm so sorry. Okay, then I have my super hot broth, and I'm going to pour it over. See, it cooks that. Oh, that looks so good. Yep. I'm so proud of myself for like being from the Midwest. Like, here I am making this food. I'm so excited. Okay, hang on. Please hold. All right, I have my blanched sprouts, and I'm gonna put them here. I love sprouts in mine, so I'm gonna do that. And then I'm going to take some of my meatballs that I cooked, probably just 2. And I'm going to take some of my brisket that I cooked and put it on here. Oh, I'm so pumped. And then I'm going to take some green onion. I'm going to have some white onion. And I don't have any Thai basil, but I do have cilantro, so I'm going to put a little cilantro in there. Then I have my lime, which I'll set right there. And last but not least, I've got to get the goods, the real goods. I do not have regular sriracha, but I have this, and hoisin sauce. So pumped. Oh yeah. And I'll be back for a taste test. I'm so excited. Okay, I realized I did forget the fish sauce, but you can add it. This is salty enough to me, so I'm not gonna add it, but this tastes exactly like the restaurant. It is so good. It's 100% worth cooking all day. It's so good. I need to add some more broth to it, but 10 out of 10, would recommend. I don't know if Jonathan will like it because he's never, sorry, my face is so red because I've been cooking. I don't know if Jonathan will like it because he's never had pho before, but we'll see. Maybe. If not, I'll see you guys later. I'll see you in the next one. I think I'm going to can some cucumbers, make pickles. Yeah, that will probably be the next one. So, thanks for hanging out with me. And I might see if Jonathan likes this. Maybe not. I don't know. But, see you guys in the next one. Bye. Is it recording?
I think so. No, it's really good.
This is Jonathan's very first time ever having pho.
That's excellent. I have no complaints.
No, and that's like a lot coming from Jonathan because he doesn't really love a lot of Asian food, I guess.
Yeah.
But
I'm picky.
Yeah.
Has to be like prepared really well. But this is prepared really. It's excellent.
This is a good recipe. I'll for sure link it. Alright. Alright, we're gonna
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.